What's up, people? This is your boy Jay. I am currently outside with the 03 Grand Marquis. I was supposed to have done this video earlier. I was supposed to have done this video earlier, guys. I got an update for the 03. We got the amplifier set up in the Grand Marquis. I got everything done today before it started raining. And let's get this stupid thing here put up like it's supposed to be. Y'all excuse me for a second, guys. Excuse me while I put this damn thing over here. It's supposed to have already been up. Alright guys, sorry about that. Now, we have here is one of the amplifiers that we had installed in this car. I'm looking for another bass amp to put in here now, so I can get the bass here. I use the marine battery here, and I got my power and grounds set up on this marine battery here. Yeah, this is one of my old marine batteries that I got, that I'm using for the system and everything for here. So as you see, we got the dual battery here in the back, the circuit breaker for this amplifier right here, and this is that 1600 watt Planet Audio and Archie amp that we got here. This is the 4-channel one here. As you can see, we got all of the speakers and stuff bridged, because we got everything bridged. I got this ran for we can run 2 amps. You know, as you can see, we got all that hooked up. Play some music out of the grill. Find something to play. I do not own the rights to the music, guys. I don't own the rights to the music, and I'm gonna play this. I don't own the rights to it, so I'm gonna let you. So I'll just put something to play in the grill. Let's do let's try this one. Let's try this Touchdown remix.
Remixing, I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow, bow, bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga. I said, hold up, T-man, they don't want to smoke. I'm the type of nigga, drop the dick off in they mama throat. Spitting bars like a skin, I'm praying y'all got the antidote. And them on every block have their family hitting soprano note. I eat the beat like I'm an animal. Your bitch get on her knees and eat this meat like she a cannibal. Fucking wrong with the king, I put buku dick in the camera. I heard I'm off the truth, but the pussy wet as a cantaloupe.
I do not own the rights to the music, y'all. But just to let you know that we got the grill speakers working.
Watch all their bodies descend. My youngest really be stepping in. No need for the pretending they won't bend, bitch. And I heard you cuff the dirty bitch. I make a set you up and you get hit up with this fucking 30 stick. I write this shit just like a derby bitch. You Smith and Wesson leave you linking in the sink like you a dirty dish. I hit the city with Michelle. She won't tell. Like my
But yeah, guys, I do not own the rights to the music, so I will be placing it down in the description, so we don't get a copyright issue going on. So, but yeah, I don't own the rights to the music, guy. But this is just a video to let you guys know that we got the amp installed for the speakers and stuff. So we're pretty much done now. We're done now, guys. Now I can put my mirror back up here the way it was, because I'm done installing stuff. So stick that back in now. There we go. be able to see my rear view mirror here. And turn it on. Yes, sir. But yeah, that's my rear view mirror. But anyway, guys, this video is for the amplifier and grill speakers that we got hooked up in this thing. I'm gonna see if I can find some horns. I want to find some. I'm gonna have to order some of those horns that I have for this car. You know, that way we can. I don't have to get the bass blockers or whatever for this. But anyway, guys, this is your boy Jay. Signing off, saying peace, be safe, be blessed. I'll catch you guys later on the next update.